Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Klarpul Cordless vacuum cleaner. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So it says here powerful suction, longer working time, 2.5 hours fast charging, LED headlights, self-standing. We have some more specs listed on the side. So rated voltage is 29.6, charge time is 2 hours to 2.5 hours, noise level is less than or equal to 55 dB, charging voltage is 36 volts, battery capacity is 2200 milliamp hours times 8, has a HEPA filter, weighs 3 pounds, runtime is 60 minutes, 30 minutes, or 16 minutes. That depends on the power mode you have selected. So let's get this open. So this can stand up on its own. Here we have a manual. Let's take a look at it. So we have a warranty card. We have a quick start guide. So this has different sections you can clip together, so you can have a small hand vac or you can have a longer stick vac. Has a switch to turn it on or off. Has a button to change the power level. Has a tab you press to empty. You can take it apart to clean the different parts. You can rinse off the internal parts too. It talks about cleaning the HEPA filter. You can clean it underwater and let it air dry. This talks about taking apart the brush roller. That's everything there. There's a very thick manual here, but this is going to have multiple languages. Looks like the English is about 23 pages. So we have table of contents, shows the different parts. There's a close-up of the controls, and this shows how to put it together. So I'll go over a lot of this. But I think we learned most of what we need to do in the quick start guide. I'm going to pull this to the side here and get the parts out. So here's the extension wand. This has a button on it to extend, so you can lock it at different levels. Crevice tool. So this is the brush tool. You can press in here to extend it, so you can have it be the brush or you can have it be a more wide nozzle tool. Here's the power adapter. So this outputs 36 volts at 1 amp or 36 watts. Here we have the brush head. It has rubberized feet here. Here's the roller brush. This is the part that comes apart, so we can pull that out to clean it. So that's a very nice feature. That's very easy to do. Here's the hanger and the filter. The battery. So we have a barrel jack here to charge it. Also has rubberized pads on the bottom. And here's the main vacuum. I think that's everything in the box. I'll get this out of the way. There's a tab here. I'll pull that off. So the battery will slide in on the bottom here, like so. To release it, I'll press on this on both sides, pull it off. That's pretty easy. To turn it on, we'll press this button here. Press it again to turn off. Let me turn my light off here. So this is backlit. And it has a touch sensor to change the speed. So this can come off by pressing this button. There's just one here. And here we have that HEPA filter. So that comes out. So it does come with a spare. So you could wash one, and while you're letting it dry, you can swap it out and use the other one. Here we have a foam pad. And the rest of the filter. So typically to change this out, you don't take it all apart. I'll put this back in. You just press this here and this will flop open. So you can shake that out. So all these pieces connect together. So if you're cleaning your car, you might want it short. So we can press that in there. Then to take this out, we'll press in and pull it out. Now this has power connectors here. This does not need power, but this will use power. So if we plug this in and turn this on with the battery, we're going to see the brush turn. Now this is on a very short mode. This could be good for cleaning some stairs, but it has this extension which also has the power going through it. So now we have the full vacuum assembled. Of course, this can extend quite a bit. So I'm going to peel this battery off here. some power, and I'll plug in here, and I'll plug into the side, and now that's charging. I don't know if there's a light on here, but it is currently charging at about 35 watts. So I'm going to let this charge up, and then I'll demonstrate it. Okay, so here I am at a stairwell. Now I just have the brush on the vacuum itself, so it's very short. I'll just pop that loose, and I can vacuum now. Now that gets most of the surface. If I want to get into the corners, I can place the crevice tool on here. And that was super easy to do. Okay, so now I have some carpet in our dining room, and this is the shortest distance. I'm around 6 foot tall, and I probably want it a little bit extended. So I'll extend it maybe about that far. And I want that at least the minimum extended for me. Of course, I can go all the way if I want. So let's turn this on, and I'll probably run this on the higher mode. So that has some really nice power on the highest mode. Now the runtime, I think it said it was 16 minutes on this mode. So on the highest mode, you may not have enough runtime to clean all your carpets, but you could run it on the lower mode unless you have a really dirty area. But for like spot cleaning, like if someone drops a bunch of food on the floor, you could turn it on that highest mode and clean it up very quickly. And here we have the vacuum standing up on its own. Now if you put it in the middle of the floor like this, it could get knocked over, but you could likely put it up against a wall for storage. Now when it comes time to empty this, I'll just disconnect the extension, come down to my trash here, open it up, and I can shake the dirt out and close it back up. So that's super easy to empty. Okay, so now I'm out here at my car. I've installed the wider tool on there. So if I have a lot of loose rocks, I could vacuum this up. Now I've actually vacuumed this somewhat recently. But I can just slide this forward, and I have the brush so I can use it for cleaning upholstery. Now I'd probably connect that directly to the vacuum, except for I have my camera in the way. But using this tool and the crevice tool, you can really get into all the nooks and crannies of something like a car. Of course, you could also use this with furniture like a sofa or a chair. So this comes with a wall mount, so this will slip in here when you mount this on the wall, and then it has a little place in here where you can store your accessories. So you could put this in a closet or a pantry or in the corner of your kitchen, and it's up out of the way. Then the other tools is a brush with a little razor blade in here for cleaning the hair. So if you get hair on the brush, you can take this and pull this along and help remove that hair and then brush the dust away. So that's the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I really like the versatility of this vacuum. It's compact, but it has a lot of power. A vacuum like this would be great for a kitchen or dining room. If you have a spill, you can just pull this out and vacuum it up really quickly without having to dig out a large upright vacuum. This would also be great for apartments, offices, or an RV. Since it has a large battery, you can get good run times out of this on the low and medium modes, but it can also supply power for a shorter period of time if you really have a larger mess and you want to run on the high mode. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.